Is your digital self-service improving your customer experience? Or is it increasing effort, frustration, and expense? Imagine self-service that's easier, faster, smarter. Introducing Experience Optimization. Now, you can optimize self-service with Enlighten AI. Tired of guesswork driving your self-service strategy? Experience Optimization is the only solution that gets smarter with every customer interaction. Continuously improve self-service experiences from the voice of the customer. Replace first-gen uncertainties with next-gen insights. Discover customer intents. Identify training phrases. Prioritize automation opportunities with the highest ROI. Meet customers on the digital channels they prefer. Understand your customer. Satisfy their needs the first time. Supercharge self-service. Increase resolution rates. Reduce customer effort. Experience Optimization. Self-service built easier, faster, smarter.